Hello my friends. This year is coming to an end and it is the best time to sign up for the Club 2024. The registration is now open and you are very welcome to join in at tenroseday.com/club2024. The membership does not renew automatically, so if you are a member of the current club, the Club 2023, please take a moment to sign up for the next year's club and remember to use your club discount code to get your new membership at almost half the price. So what do you get as a club member? In a nutshell, you get lifetime access to all resources that are going to be published in the year of 2024. The full PDF versions of all step-by-step photo tutorials, ad-free versions of all video tutorials, all patterns, and all ebooks that are going to be released in 2024. And that includes the digital copy of the second full-length book about matching cast-on and bind-off methods that is coming out in fall 2024. The virtual knitting group was a huge success this year and will continue to meet every month for a live workshop and a friendly chat about all things knitting. In 2024, the workshop part of the meeting will be recorded, and whether you participated in the live meeting or not, you will be able to watch and rewatch those recordings whenever you need for as many times as you want. In addition to all of this, you will also get a 25% discount code that you can use to get all patterns, courses, books, and knitting collections that were published before 2024 and are thus not included in the club membership. This discount code is valid for the whole year and you can use it as many times as you need. All of this is designed for knitters of all skill levels of skill. And no matter whether you've just finished your first scarf or you've been knitting for decades, if you want to get better at your craft, this club is for you.